Guys, I've told you time and time again, XRP is about to take that solid bullish trend that will instantly make most of you into millionaires. This tweet highlights the current resistance points and supports lines and targets. And if you haven't noticed, the targets aren't that high up, like most analysts keep speculating. So thank you, Dark Defender, for this fantastic breakdown. At $2, I'm sure if you invested wisely on XRP, you should have already reaped some excellent benefits. Don't even get me started on what will happen to my wallet the minute XRP hits $7. Guys, straight up, I'll have enough cash actually to retire my whole family. And I can't wait for that to happen. In fact, from what I'm seeing happening online and in the news I have prepared for you guys today, XRP might just soon hit that $7 mark and continue even higher. So stick around to the end as I share with you some intriguing facts that you most likely will have missed online. By the way, guys, don't forget to join in our giveaway. We will be giving away $2,000 worth of XRP directly to your wallet as a thank you for helping us grow. You can check it out in the comment section below for all the requirements. The winner is going to be announced February 1st right here on the video of Money Side. Hello, guys, and welcome back to Money Side, your favorite crypto news channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you get updates when we upload new videos. And don't forget to like and leave a comment in the section below. Now that that's out of the way, let's get down to the real stuff. So the quick question, do you think you will buy XRP after watching this video? Well, my best answer is probably not. If you were not a believer in this coin from the word jump, there's nothing in the world I could tell you to convince you otherwise. Do you know why? Most of us, if not all, are subject to headlines. And sometimes we end up thinking that the law is always right. A pretty good example is what is currently happening between the SEC and Ripple. The fact that Ripple has a case in court, most people will wait until the court case is over before they could actually buy a piece of XRP. But by then, I guarantee you, it will likely be too late for you. That's because the bullish trend of this coin is currently happening and no one is even ready for it yet. That's because XRP has shown signs of hitting its all-time high in a matter of days, if not hours, way before the SEC case is over. As we speak, this coin keeps going lower because of its suppression. In truth, the whales are pushing this coin down so they can buy as much XRP as they can afford at a reasonably low price before the SEC court case is over. Yes, you heard that right. If you haven't noticed, when things are about to work out for XRP, something new comes up. It's as if the world already knows the potential this coin possesses, and whales are trying to slow it down from mooning so they can capitalize on the move. I keep telling you guys, you need to start thinking like a billionaire. Not all you see is actually what is truly happening. But that's the biggest problem our society has, and that's why it's so easy for the whales to keep fooling you guys. Not to worry, I'm here to enlighten the world and make sure we all get to be that first millionaire in our families. Without a doubt, cryptocurrency is a pool of massive wealth, and we can all get a piece of it. As of right now, XRP is the coin that will actually get you that gold mine wealth. The SEC ended up giving Ethereum a free pass, and now they went on to attack Ripple in the process. Don't you see a pattern in the making? There's a chance that Ethereum might actually be the problem, and not the other way around. Let me give you a literal speculation here, guys. Mind you, these are only my thoughts and not a conspiracy in the making. Anyway, if I had endless amounts of money in the bank, just like whales do, I'd have the government in my back pocket so I can use them to make more cash. As we all know, money is never enough. Then, because I've already seen the future in Ethereum and XRP, I'd use both channels to make as much as I can. Now the SEC went after Ripple, while at the same time, Ethereum continued to flourish. But as we've realized later, the system of this blockchain is flawed, and the people who actually own Ethereum are complaining a lot. In fact, if you go online, most complaints will be because of Ethereum and its gas fees. But since I'm a whale and I've made my profit from Ethereum, my next step would be to put all my investment in XRP, which right now has a really low price. Then talk to the SEC so they can now let go of the company. Stay with me here, guys. Now, if it were you, this simple move could make you so much money you wouldn't even believe it. And all it took is knowing the right people and playing chess while the rest of the world plays checkers. As we all know, now the SEC has been backed up to a corner. They have to reveal to the world the documents that led to their decisions that Ethereum and Bitcoin are not securities, but XRP is a security. But why have they stalled for so long? And why did the court allow them to stall? Ripple asked for these documents at the beginning of the court case. How now? My best guess, the whales now have bought enough XRP and are using the court and the regulatory body to move the market upwards. Come on, guys. Can't you see all these events unfold in front of your eyes? The SEC knew that they were going to lose even before they filed this court case. All that said, time now to take a look at the numbers. Here are the charts. First, XRP. Guys, look at this massive formation from the XRP chart. Very low on the RSI. This looks very bullish to me. I outlined two paths. The first one is a fake to the downside, springing XRP up, or we could simply go with a classic consolidation near the top of the formation for a break. The other two breaks were similar in formation, but nowhere near as large as the current. The last time we had this large of a formation was in 2018, when XRP went from 30 cents to $3.30 in a 3-week period. Either way, my expectation is to the upside in the next few months. It should be exciting times for us all. Now, turning to Bitcoin, if we look there, it's approaching a strong support zone, horizontal and non-horizontal, so we will be looking for buy setups. On the daily chart, Bitcoin is forming a channel in the blue, but the upper trend line is not yet valid. So we are waiting for a new swing high to form around it. To consider it our trigger swing. Projection in purple. The trigger is wait for that swing to form and then buy after a momentum candle close above it in the gray zone. Meanwhile, until that buy is activated, Bitcoin would be overall bearish and can still trade lower. As always, do your own research and remember to always trade safely, guys. Please keep in mind we're not a licensed financial advisor. All the videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. You can let us know what you think in the comment section below and start a conversation. As always, I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and please click on that subscribe button below. And be sure to turn on notifications so you get informed whenever we post our amazing content. Thanks again, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next Money Side.